Kinto is an app for family caregivers looking after a parent with Alzheimer's disease and other serious conditions. Kinto organizes important information about your loved one's care, like doctor's appointments, medications, allergies, and how they're doing day to day. Kinto lets you share everything with your family and other caregivers so everyone is in the loop. We also create a special doctor's visit report so you are prepared for every appointment and you can get the most out of every visit. Kinto will guide you every step of the way, reminding you of the most important things and bringing you useful information from our partners. You are not in this alone. Kinto connects your family with other families in the Kinto community for support, wisdom, and advice. Kinto, caring together.